Alright. Sickums out of stamina, out of fucking namaste.
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 I'm gonna exit the main menu and then I'm gonna go change the stamina multiplier when you upgrade. Oh, dude, it's actually so bad. It'll go like 20.
I fucking asked for.
Shut up.
Who got you there, dude?
God damn. Tame down our stats for a little stamina. I'm gonna put that bitch up to like health. It only goes up to
Where?
2.5, bro. Oh shit.
Alright.
2.5.
I fucking love my dude.
And then weight will go
Make sure you're not
2
to
point.
see if that like fixes it.
That's what I was doing.
Fortnite?
What?
Fortnite?
Exactly. See, Jordan gets the shit.
The fuck up.
Hang on, I'm agreeing with you. Jordan.
No.
Bob looking
The fuck up.
at. Damn, who's that in the background?
What?
I don't know. Who's that? That's him snoring.
Ain't no way.
No, listen, listen, listen. You don't hear him?
There's no way that's him snoring.
He's going. He's going. God damn.
There's no way that's him.